Hello. Good morning. Can you hear my voice, Beta? Good morning, Rudra. Rudra, my voice is audible. Good morning, Paja. Voice is audible, Beta. Voice is audible. Okay, audible. Very good. So now look here. Last class now we were discussing about discrete. Okay. Good morning, Sujata. So now look here. Beta. Last class we were discussing about frequency. When see till now what we were doing is we were discussing about statistics. In statistics we were finding mean deviation. Good morning, Vanakkam, Siddharth. Good morning, beta. So now listen. Last class, now we were doing observations were discrete. Observations were discrete means frequency was not there. Means frequency till now we have not introduced. So in that part, first part we have done. We found mean deviation. We have found. I talked about range. I talked about class size. Everything we have discussed. Now one question related to median we will do. See, last when you were in 10th standard, you studied about median. So median finding is of two types. One type when the observation is not repeated. Listen carefully. One time when the observation is not repeated, that time frequency will be one for every single observation. So that time, how to get the median? So now one question I am taking to find the median. 38 70 and then we will find its deviation 38 70 मैं देख रही हूँ मैसेज बेटा साक्षी सो नाउ 38 70 38 70 48 राधे राधे 38 70 48 34 okay 48 34 63 42 55 44 55 44 53 and 47. So these are the numbers. To get the median, what we are going to do is we will be first writing it either in ascending order or in descending order. So now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here number is coming as 10, even number. That means we have to find mean deviation in its median. So here mean deviation in median we have to find. So that means we have to first find median. If you see none of the numbers are repeated. So frequency for every single number is 1 only. So first work is we will write it in either ascending order or descending order. So first we will start with 34. Our first number is 34. Second number is 38. 34, 38 is done beta. Next number is 42. So we will write 42. Next number is 44. We will write 44. Now next number is 47. After that 48. So 42, 44, 47, 48. After that which number will come beta? 53 will come. After 53, 55 will come. 55. After that 63 and 70. Can we calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? 10 numbers are there. So n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. So this will become the median. So here total 10 numbers are there. So 10 by 2 and 10 by 2 plus 1. So that means the middle term, fifth term and sixth term will become the median numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 and 6. These two numbers we will take. We have to find median. So median finding will be fifth term plus sixth term divided by 2. So what is fifth term? 47 plus 48 divided by 2. So here it will become 5. And here 7 and 40, 15, 95 divided by 2. So it will become 2 4s are 8, 1 5, 2 7s are. So 47.5 came beta. So once you got 47.5, this is your median. Okay. Now after this we have to find deviation. So this is one part. One part is median finding. This is typical because once you will be finding median, you have to find deviation of median. So how we are going to find deviation of median? So for deviation of median, our observation is xi. We will write all the observations: 34, 38, 42, 44, 47, 48, 53, 55, 53, 55, 63 and 70. So this is exactly the observations. Now we have to find deviation. So when we are finding deviations, deviation will be di and deviation formula is what? Xi minus mean deviation, median. So MD I'm writing median. Okay. So here 34 minus 47.5. This will come, median means answer will always come positive. 38 minus 47.5. Okay. 42 minus 47.5. Okay, 42 minus 47.5, 44 minus 47.5, 47 minus 47.5, after that 48 minus 47.5, after that 53 minus 47.5, and then we have 55 minus 47.5, 63 minus 47.5, and 70 minus 47.5. So this is exactly going to be like deviation will be always positive. So 47.5 and here 34 is there. So 5, 3 and here it is coming as 1. So this part will become 13.5, always positive, always positive. 47.5 minus 34 because median, this modulus is there and modulus will always give positive values. So here 5, 7 plus 7 minus 4, 3, 1, 13 is coming. Now 38 I have to subtract, 38.0, 0.5, 9, it will come 9.5. Now here 42 is coming. So 42 we are going to take. It is coming as 5.5. Now 44 we are going to take 5. It will become 3.5. Now 47, 0.5. This one will be again 0.5. Now here 53. 5.5 and here 55, 7.5, 63, 15.5. Beta calculation one time you check if anywhere anything is there. Now 70 is there, 70.0, 47.5, 5, 22.5. Once you have done till here means now you have to find the summation of deviation. Okay. So it is coming as 71. So now once you are writing 71, now only one work you have to do. You have to find its deviation. So once you are finding 71 means you need to only find the last part of it. So calculation wise one time we will check. So 87.1 here you check how much it is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 times are 55. 5 you check 5, 3, 8. This number I think I removed. 87 is coming. Check calculation. 87 is coming. So 87 when it will be coming means it will become deviation will be summation of deviation by number of observations. So 87 by 10. So median it will become 8.7. Calculation wise only one time check. Calculation very I have done. So calculation by 87 is coming. So 87 or check this. This is exactly the question and how we are going to solve. First we have find median where frequencies are not repeated. After finding median, what we have done with a 47.7, 47.5 came. See, 2 4s are 8, 1 5, 2 7s are 14 and 0.5. 47.5 came. Once 47.5 came, what we did, we found the deviation. And after finding the deviation, we just added the deviation and divided by 10 because total number of observation we are having 10. So this is the procedure. Just check the calculation only because I did fast here. 9 plus 3, 12. Any calculation part mistake means inform me because I did calculation is right. Okay. Thank you, Beta. So now this is exactly the way of finding the median. Okay. Now, once we are finding the median, this is exactly when frequencies are not repeated. I repeat, when frequencies are not repeated, this is ungrouped observation. Okay. But what about you are getting 91? You are getting 91. Hmm. Anyone else who got any value, please check calculation. 91 you are getting. One time I will check subtraction somewhere. That's what now here very precisely you have to do. 34, 5 is there only. 3.5, 13.5. This is correct. 47.5, 38. One time check better. I am checking for you. 9.5 is also correct. Check 47.5, 42. 5.5 is also correct. 47.5, 42, 44. 3.5 is correct. 5 is written. 4 minus 7, 3. 3.5 is also correct. 47 minus this is zero point 0.5. 48 it is also zero point 0.5. 53. Check one time beta. I just did everything. Yeah, calculation part just only one time because Bhavya is saying she got everyone said that everybody please check one time calculation only because most important pillar is calculation only. 5.5 is also correct. Now 5 I am going to put means 4, 14. Okay, 5.5. This is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7.5 is also correct. 63, 47.5, 5, 15.5, correct. Next, is the calculation correct, Peter? Check one time. Yes, you check Pioja because for you I just started checking calculation. 47.5, 5, 22.5. This is also correct. Okay. 81 is coming. 91, 81 calculation. One time we check 81. 8.1. is coming answer 8.1, 8.4, 8.1. 1 or 3.5. A calculation is only there here and there, little bit, whatever variations are there, we will be taking care of that. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to go for the next part. See, calculation part only 1 or 3 is coming. Yes, slightly here and there is 8.1, 8.2, it will come, not more than that. 8.1, 8.2. I'm getting 84. Yeah, Siddharth, 84 is actually correct. Wait. 84 calculation will be correct. 84 now. Anywhere where mistake is there, Siddharth, you just check 34, 38, 42, 34, 38, 42, 84. Here calculation I have might have done. 84 is correct. Oh, you use calculator. But it is good. Yeah, somewhere I might have done some calculation mistake. I'm not checking this part. So 84, 84 means 8.4. 8.4 might be correct calculation. Okay. 9.1 deviation will not come. Why? Because here this part series will not go that much variation. 9.1 will not come. Now we will go for another one. So this is one part. Calculation one time only check beta. 84 means here 4 will come. So I am writing here 84 calculation part. So now look at second part is given there will be frequency, because till now we did not introduce frequency. Frequency coming means calculation will become more disturbing. So here frequency coming, because till now we did not introduce frequency. Now for ungrouped data, first time we are going to introduce frequency. So mean deviation of discrete frequency distribution. Okay. So now we are going to write mean deviation of discrete frequency distribution. So now we are exactly going to introduce frequency. Nothing here. Class 10th, what we have studied now, same we are going to use the concept and we are going to write that. So here observation, we will make the box nicely because here box system is very much needed. So here xi, frequency. First we will find for mean. Okay, for mean we are going to find. So but here the distribution xi is ungrouped, but it is having frequency. Direct method was there, step deviation was there, shortcut method was there. In class 10th, we have learned direct, step deviation and shortcut method. Anyone, see which one you can save time, that you do in class. Okay, you ask your ma'am what she is telling, any method what she is preferring, you just use which one you are preferable, means okay fine, this one is easy for me, I will do it. Okay, so this is coming here, frequency is 8. So 3 has come how many times? 8 times. Next, 9 has come 10 times. After that, 17 has come 12 times. After that, 23 has come 9 times. And 27. Once this topic is over, I will start sample paper again. Okay, now look here, frequency. Now you can do one thing. You can assume anyone as assume to mean also method you can start, or directly you can multiply and finish. So summation of fi xi. So 3, 7, 3, 8, 24. This is coming as 90. Only 17 and 12. One time, if anybody is having calculator, means any value is wrong, means you just check on the spot. Okay, so this is coming as summation of xi fi, because here frequency is there. Before that frequency was not there. Understood or not? Yes, absolutely. So here will be what we are going to write. Calculation on this problem. 7, 5, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Here 660 is coming. So once we got 660, this came mean. 660 came. Okay, once mean came 660 beta. Now what we have to do is direct formulation we can do now. So mean deviation we have to find. First, so we have to find mean. Mean formula is summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So first overall mean we have to find 660 by addition of this one we are going to get. So this one will come 44. So 11, 4, 60, 15 came. So here mean is coming as 15 beta. Once mean is coming as 15, after that we have to find deviation. Okay. So mean after coming means we have to find deviation. So once 15 is coming, we need to find deviation. So this is not the end. This is just the beginning because now we have to do two work. First we have to find deviation. Whatever mean came, mean we need to find its deviation. So now mean is exactly coming. So deviation is xi minus mean. So that means how much it will come? Xi minus mean. So mean is coming as 15. Xi minus mean. 3 is there. Remember, 3 minus 15 you have to do. So 12 will come. Modulus 3 minus 15. After that, xi is 9. 9 minus 15. This one we done. This xi. 3 minus mean is 15. After that, 9 minus mean is 15. 17 minus 15. After that, 23 minus 15. After that, 27 minus 15. This much is coming, beta. So after getting this, 3 minus 15 is coming as 12. So once 12 came, we have to multiply it with frequency again because frequency is number of observations. Understood? So after getting deviation, you have to multiply with frequency. So what is the frequency here? 8. Got it? So frequency 8 is going to be multiplied. Now here 9 minus 15. How much will come? 9 minus 15 is 6. Now 6 into frequency 10. Now 12. Here it is coming 12 into 17 minus 15 is 2. So here it will come 17 minus 15. Now better frequency again 9. Now here 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15 if you are going to do is 7. 8. So here it will become 8 into 9. Okay. Now 27 minus 15. 12. So 12 into 5. So after getting this, because mean deviation was there, now we have to find it. 96, 60, 24, 72, 60. Understood? 96, 60, 24, 72, 60. Now you add this 96, 60, 60, 24 and 72. It is coming as 312. Once you got 312 beta, calculate one time, check. So 312 means after getting 312, we have to find the deviation. So mean deviation now MD will come how? Like how much deviation? Summation of deviation by summation of frequency. So that's why it's roller coaster only. So here it is 312 by 44. So what we have done, madam, first our basic concept was to find the mean. So only I did not use very complex method. just directly summation of fi xi. After getting summation of xi, our main target was to get the mean. Once we got mean, after getting the mean, we started finding the deviation. After finding deviation, again the deviation will multiply with frequency. This will become DIFI. Understood? So mean deviation will become DIFI by summation of Fi. So this is exactly the procedure for finding. So 312 by 44 will be approximated. How much value will come? Beta, you just check. It is coming approximated 7.09. Okay, so 7.09 it is coming, and this is exactly coming 7.09. So calculation part 7.09 is coming as mean deviation. This is most important part, and we need to check this one nicely. Okay, so this is the way to solve it. This is called as mean deviation and discrete frequency distribution. This is mean deviation. Thank you so much, Sakshi. So here, this is the most important part. We must understand that first find mean. After finding mean, find deviation. Then deviation will multiply with frequency. Once frequency coming with that frequency, whatever deviation is coming, summation of this, then again frequency part you have to write down. So that is the most important step. I hope everybody understood. Till here, if you have understood means, we will be going for the next part. This is one format where mean is used. See, next part is, hi Himanshu. So next part what we are going to do is we will be using median part. Okay, because it was still here mean. Now we are going to use for median. This time for median, how we are going to solve. So are you ready for median finding here? This is for mean finding. And in exam now, they will be asking grouped one, ungrouped one, but 3-4 methods are there. That 3-4 methods only we have to do, rest of the nothing we have to do. So are we going to start median part? In median, how it is going to be? So let's write the question here first. For median, again box has to be made. Okay, it is looking really bad box. This is xi, this is fi, this is cumulative frequency. After cumulative frequency coming, at least this much box we are going to make. Now we will start our work. This is xi, this is fi. For we are going to find mean deviation about its median. Okay. So now beta here it will come as 10. Observation I'm just writing 15. After 15, 20, 25, 20, 25. After 25, 30, 35. 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay. After that, next part 7, 3, 8, 5. 7, 3, 8, 5. Okay. 7, 3, 8, 5, 6, 8, 4, 9. 6, 8, 4, 9. So beta this is coming as frequency part. But beta this frequency part, first we have to add it up and we will check how much is coming as frequency. Summation of frequency. But we need to find cumulative frequency. Our work start with cumulative frequency because we have to find mean deviation about its median. Okay, so median has to be found first. So if median we are able to know, then only we will be able to do any other thing. Deviation finding after median only. 10, 18, 20, 29. Check one time better, is it coming 50? So this part came 50. Now we will find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means 7 will become 7 only. Okay. Now 7 plus 3, it will become 10. 10 plus 8, it will become 18. 18 plus 5, it will become 23. 23 plus 6, 29. 29 plus 8, 37. 37 plus 4, 41. 41 plus 9, 50. See, look here, they both are matching. So this is cumulative frequency. Now our method we are going to start. So now here we will be finding cumulative frequency. Once part 50 and 50 is coming. Now cumulative frequency means now we have to find median. How to get the median? So median formula is what here to directly we can use. So n by 2. N by 2. What is your n? Summation of fi by 2. Summation of fi is coming as 50 by 2. It is coming as 25. Now check the number which is greater than 25. Okay. So the number which is greater than 25. So let's see, the number which is greater than 25 is 29. Okay. So once you have got 29, that means your median here is 30. So overall median is coming as, for finding median, so this is exactly summation part. So now median is coming as 30. So once you got median as 30, now we are going to, hello Akash, so here we are going to do one work. Once median you got 30, again we will start our work, and this time the work is deviation. Understood? So how we are going to do? Again deviation will start, because deviation will be what? Deviation will be median 30. So 10 minus 30, first part, 15 minus 30, next 20 minus 30, next 25 minus 30, next 30 minus 30, next 35 minus 30, 40 minus 30, and 45 minus 30. Okay, so here 10 minus 30. Now whatever it will come, we have to multiply it with frequency. So deviation will multiply with frequency. It is coming as 20 beta. So frequency part is 7. So 7 into 10 minus 30. Modulus is positive value, 20. So here it is coming as how much beta? 7 to the 40, 140. Now here 15. So here it is coming as 15, and here number is 3. 3. So how much it will come? 45. Okay. Now here 10, and this part is 8. So here number will become 80. Next part is 5. Now here it is, we have taken 8 now. Now we are going to take 5. So here 5, it is coming as 25. Next, it is 30 minus 30, 0. 0 into 6, so here it will come 0. Now here it will become 5. 5 into 8. 6 we have taken, now we are taking 8. So 8, 5, 40. Now next 10. 10 we are going to multiply it with 4. So here it is coming as again 40. Last is 15. 15 and it is coming as 9. So 9, 5, 45, 135. So now so 505 is coming. Once better we got 505. Now we have to find mean deviation. So that is deviation. This part is calculation of deviation DIFI. So summation of deviation multiplied with frequency by frequency part. So 505 by 50 beta. Okay, 505, sorry, 505 by 50. So here 10.1. So here it will come as 10.1. Understood? It will come as 10.1. So this is exactly the way of finding median deviation about its mean. Okay, so this part is most important. I have just understood mean deviation. After that, we started with median deviation. Median deviation, same method. First, what we have done, we found cumulative frequency, and then n by 2 method was there. Everybody, please kindly say one time. Did you understood? Did you understood how to solve this method? How to use this method? Mean deviation 25. Siddharth, Payoja, Rudra, Sujata, everybody, please. Sakshi understood now. Till here we have understood. Like okay, fine. We have to go with this space and we have to solve. Kishore is there. Means all people, please check one time how to give the median deviation about its median. Okay. Till here it is done. Then we will go for the next part. We will go for grouped distribution because till now we were not doing group distribution. Group distribution means again with group distribution we have to find how to get the mean. Understood? So this is for ungrouped frequency part was there. Now we will be going for grouped with frequency part. Till here is it okay, beta? Check one time. After give confirmation, then I will start the next part. Check any place where it is down problem, my calculation is not perfect, then inform me. So this is the procedure of finding the mean deviation about mean and the mean deviation about median. Understood. Next. Payoja, Rudra, Siddharth, calculation, Kishore, calculation part check one time. Kamlesh, understood na beta? Okay, beta. So we will be doing now the next part. So this is about mean deviation and median part. Now we will be going for the next one when grouped distribution will be given. Okay. Thank you so much, Villa. So now again for group distribution. Till now we did not encounter group distribution. Now we are going to encounter group distribution. So group part what we are going to do. Let's see. Mean deviation for grouped. So now for what group we are going to check and we are going to find for group. So here it is. First we are going to write the class. Okay. The class is coming between 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, just at 18 to 24 and 24 to 30. Coming. Now this is, we are going to write xi here and then we will write frequency. Okay. Xi means what beta? Xi is the mid value. Xi, this is class. Then xi will be considered as mid value. Okay. How we are getting mid value? 6 plus 0 divided by 2, it will become 3. Now here 6 plus 12, 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 will become 9. After that 9 you add 6, then this one will become 8 plus 2, 10. 10 divided by 3 it will become 15. Now here 3, 9, 15 is coming. Now here after that 12, 21, 27. So this is xi. Once we got xi, now this time we have to find frequency. So directly beta after this I am writing frequency. So that calculation part will not be disturbing you. Frequency part is 8, okay, 10, 12, 9 and 5. Done. Now we have to find mean. So for finding mean, what we will do? We will write xi fi. 3, 8, 24, 9, 10, 90, 15 and 12. This is coming as 180. Next is this much value is coming. Beta, we will add up the frequency part. It is coming as summation is coming as 44. Frequency part came after frequency. It is coming as 618. Okay, 618 we have got. Once we got this one, now we are going to calculate deviation, because here first after finding this we have to find the mean part. Are you ready for finding the mean, beta? So what is the value coming for me? Check this one out. Are we going to find xi fi? I have done directly. I have calculated, multiplied to get the mean. Are you ready for it? So once you are going to find the mean, how much it is coming? So when you are finding the mean, how much part it will be there? 618 divided by 44. Govinda, Govinda. 618 divided by 44. Just check the calculation, beta. 4, 9, 13, 8, 18 is coming, and then here it is coming as, because after converting, same method will be there, no big difference will be there. First you have to find the mid value, whatever middle value will be coming, again same we have to multiply this to. Once you are multiplying this to, summation of fi xi is there, summation of xi fi xi is, mean formula is, direct method I have used, summation of fi xi by summation of f. Done. So this is still here understandable, okay, Manshu? So now look here. So here it is coming as summation of fi xi, calculation part one time only you need to check. So 618 is coming. 618 divided by, so it is approximately coming 14.04. Okay, approximated value is coming as 14.04 is coming as the mean. Once you got this mean means, our work is to find deviation. So from deviation, from which one you are going to find deviation? Third, 3. So first xi is 3. 3 minus 14.04, like that. Okay, then 9 minus 14.04. then 15 minus 14.04. Now 21 minus 14.04. Then 27, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 27 minus 14.04. This much will be coming. This is actually deviation. So this is deviation. After deviation will come, we have to multiply deviation with frequency. So this is the step. After deviation will be coming, we have to multiply deviation with frequency. This is the most again another thing. So here 14.04. So it will come 11.04. Okay. It will become 8.04. Six point nine six. This is 12.96. Then now it is coming as 12.96. So summation of FIDI, this calculation is the most one. Headache will start coming after calculation. Here it is coming as 6, 9, 2 will carry here. 41.96. So once you got, now you have to find mean deviation. Mean deviation is summation of FIDI by summation of FI. Calculation part one time you check it out. It is coming as 41.96 by 44. 41.96 by 44. So deviation will be coming like this. So this is the way to solve, this is the way to find the mean deviation about the median. This is again one most important thing. You need to check this part out. You need to check this part out. This is seriously very important to solve. Like this method only we are going to adopt for solving. For now, next only one pattern is left is mean deviation for group 1 about median. So once related to median you will do means this chapter. After that standard deviation we have to find. Once mean deviation part will be over, means in one class, another one class, we will be finding standard deviation. And once we will learn how to get mean deviation about median, and then for the group frequency data, and after that standard deviation we are going to do means after that we are start solving sample papers and chapter wise revisions. Okay, from today I will start sending some questions. Bye bye everyone. This calculation itself headache starts coming. Okay, beta. Bye everyone.